Now I am going to explain you different numericals based on the potential difference and the resistance. Actually, this video is very helpful in understanding the numericals based on the electricity of class 10th and 9th. Now the question is, in transferring 1.5 coulomb charge through a wire, 9 joule of work is needed. Find the potential difference across the wire. Whenever we have any numerical, firstly just analyze that numerical. That means there is a charge. Okay. So the value of the charge is 1.5 coulomb. Now through a wire of 9 joule of work. 9 joule of work. That means work is equal to 9 joule. We have to find the potential difference. We have to find the potential difference. So in this way I try to say that you just analyze the question and write all the data here. Now as we know, the formula for the potential difference is work over charge. This is the formula for the potential difference. One more thing I also want to tell you over here. The unit of work is joule, Joule. Unit of charge is coulomb, 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 and unit of potential difference is volt. Okay, potential difference can also be written as V over W by Q. This is the format. Okay, now we substitute different values. The value of work is 9 and value of charge is 1.5. Now when we solve, we get the potential difference, that is 9 over 1.5. We just remove the decimal. This is 90. 15 6 are 90. So potential difference is 6 and its unit is volt. So now next question I am going to explain. Okay, now the next question. A cell of potential difference 12 volt is connected to a bulb. The resistance of the filament of the bulb when it glows is 24 ohm. Find the current drawn from the cell. Now the first step, we just analyze the question. Potential difference is 12 volt. Now resistance is 24 ohm and we have to find the current. So from the analysis we can easily understood that this question is based on the relationship which was given by Mr. O. And what is the relationship given by Mr. O? That potential over current is always a constant quantity and he named that quantity as resistance. So this is the formula for the Ohm's law. That means V upon I is equal to R, where R is the resistance, V is the potential difference and I is the current. Now we substitute different values. For the potential difference V, we have 12 volt. For the current we have to find the current, and the value of resistance is given as 24. Okay, now when we cross multiply, we get 12 upon 24 is equals to current. So 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. That means value of the current is equals to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5, and unit of current is ampere. Now next question we have, just look on it. A bulb draws current of 1.5 ampere at 6 volt. Find the resistance of the filament of the bulb while glowing. Now obvious, step 1, we have to analyze our question. That means current. Current, that means it is written with the help of symbol I, which is 1.5 A. A means ampere, its unit. Okay. Now potential difference. Potential difference, it is denoted by V, which is equal to 6 volt, and here V is volt, its unit. Clear? And we have to find resistance. So again we have the formula from the Ohm's law. V upon I is equals to R. So R is equals to V over I. That means value of V is 6 volt and value of current is 1.5. Now how will we solve? We just remove this decimal, put 0 over here. Now 5 3s are 15 and 5 12s are 60 and 3 4s are 12, or 15 4s are 60, that means 4. Now the unit of resistance is ohm and its symbol is 4 ohms. Okay, now the next question. A current of 0.2 ampere flows in a wire of resistance this. Find the potential difference across the ends of the wire. I think it's now clear to you. Firstly, we have to analyze, that is the current, which is equal to 0.2 ampere. Now the resistance, which is equals to 15 ohm, and we have to find the potential difference. Now according to Ohm's law, we have V upon I is equals to R. Don't do anything, just put all the values over here firstly. Now for the current we have 0.2, for the resistance this, but potential difference we don't know. So V upon I, that is 0.2, for the resistance we put 15. So V is equal to 15 into 0.2, which is equal to 15 to the 30. This is get cancelled. That means 3 volt is the potential difference in the circuit. So if you want to take the live classes, just contact on the number which is given on the video.